So in 2023, I challenged myself to learn one new trick every single month. Here are some of my highlights. Oh, into the forest. New trick time. Count that. Oh, how clean is that? No freaking way. That was sick. So 2023 turned out to be a truly epic year. I stuck to my promise. I learned one new trick every single month. I'm super proud of myself. In 2024, maybe I'll take on a new challenge. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.